Welcome, and thank you for your interest in Komatsu products. Today we'll be discussing the new and improved display group on Komatsu's WA270-8 and WA320-8 hydrostatic wheel loaders. This will include the machine main monitor, the multi-switch group, and the rear view monitor. So with that, let's get started. At key on, the starting screen of the main monitor will show a white background with the blue Komatsu logo. This remains for 2 seconds, during which time the centralized warning lamp lights, the pilot lamps light, the buzzer sounds, and the tachometer pointer makes one complete sweep. After this, the standard screen is displayed. There is an exception to this monitor startup sequence. If the machine owner has enabled the operator ID feature, then this screen will be displayed after the blue Komatsu logo is flashed. The operator ID system is designed to allow tracking of individual operators in fleets with multiple operators. With this screen displayed, the engine will not crank. The operator uses the blue numeric switches to input his or her ID. When finished, push the enter switch, and the standard screen is displayed, and the engine can now be started. If someone has used the engine shutdown secondary switch either while the engine is running or before the engine is started, the monitor displays this screen when the key switch is in the on position. The engine will not start when this screen is displayed. To reset the engine shutdown secondary switch, close the switch cover. The downward movement of the cover is designed to force the switch into the off or reset position. The multi-switch panel for Komatsu rubber-tired machines has a sealed rubber face cover for durability. The panel has 15 switches. The gray colored switches include the menu switch, the enter switch, the return switch, the up switch, and the down switch. On the top of the panel, the switches are blue in color, and collectively, they control the heat and air conditioner system settings. These blue switches also display numerals 0 through 9, which are used under certain conditions for entering numbers into the monitor system. Accessing the user menu from the main monitor screen is done with the menu switch. With one push of this switch, you leave the main screen and go to the user menu. Pushing the menu switch again scrolls to each of the tabs on this display, from left to right. If you pass a tab you want, just keep pushing the menu switch. You'll come around again. The user menu now has 7 tabs that can be accessed. From left to right, these tabs are Energy Saving Guidance, Machine Setting Information, After Treatment Devices Regeneration, SCR Information, Maintenance, Monitor Setting, and Message Display. At the bottom of this display are guidance icons. These are there to help the user understand which switches on the switch panel are currently active. In this screen, the up, down, return, enter, and menu switches are usable. Notice, in this screen, pushing the menu switch will cause indexing to the right. It is very easy to access information listed under any tab. First, push the menu switch until you get to the desired tab. Let's say Machine Settings and Information. Then push the down arrow switch to highlight the information you want to access. Say Traction Level Selection. Next, push the enter switch to go into the chosen item. In this example, you can change the setting condition of this feature. To get back to the main monitor screen, push the return switch. As mentioned previously, the blue switches control the heating and air system for cab comfort. The settings can be viewed in the center of the standard screen. Switches 1 and 4 raise and lower the blower fan speed, while switches 2 and 5 raise and lower the temperatures. This concludes the monitor display for Komatsu's WA270-8 and WA320-8 hydrostatic wheel loaders. If you need any additional information or have any questions, please reference the Operation and Maintenance Manual located inside the cab. Thank you for your interest in Komatsu products.